They have it at Market Basket. Yeah, they have cooked rice like
The
jasmine
package?
rice in a package, where you minutes rice. Um,
Oh, that. Oh.
yeah, and then you just pop in a microwave. It takes about a minute or so. Are you all set then, or what? What is that? Kit Kat.
It's okay. Let's go.
You done?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Abalone and mushroom juk.
Abalone and mushroom juk. What is that?
Rice porridge.
Porch? Porch?
Mm-hmm.
So you just add water to it, right?
So they have, I think it's in the rice section over there.
We're here. This
Oh,
side
down
or the
over
other?
there. They added more produce.
They did.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe it's in this here, in this big refrigerator here. Okay, I don't know. Where did you usually get it from? Where do you used to get it from? Oh, oh, that's